Hey guys, Brian here. I'm going to show you some drill basics here. What you have here is you've got the chuck. This is where you put the drill bit in. You've got the speed switch here. Pull this down, it'll go obviously. You've got the switch reverse and then just pushing it out on the opposite side here. Be normal mode. On the top here, I've got it selected to the drill mode. It's going to go at the fastest speed, or at least with the torque. It's not going to stop. If you set this to 1, that's going to be the least amount of resistance allowed. So you wouldn't use that with a drill bit here. Say we would have this bit in instead of the drill bit. And say you're drilling small drills into like a pliable substance, maybe not wood, maybe it's drywall. The drill would stop if you went all the way up to the highest amount, 17. So that will be the highest setting that the drill will continue spinning under the duress of the torque. To wood, you're drilling in, screws larger than this, like really large screws that you want to go in all the way, and you're going to have more torque that way. A lot of people, they'll just set it at 8, kind of in the middle, and use it for most of their uses, unless they're using a driver. This top button here, this is the speed switch. One right here is going to be the speed setting. It's going to be the lower speed setting. This is the speed switch. Changing it to 2 is going to be the higher speed setting. So in this example, we're going to set it on 1, and we're going to drill this wood screw nail in here, and you'll see when it stops. So look at where it stopped on that. It needs to go a little bit further. So that's with the 1 setting on the torque. Let's try one right above it here. And we'll set the torque adjustment. Let's set that all the way up to 17. So let's see the difference here. So this is a pretty thin piece of wood, but look at the difference. So that's the 1 setting and that's the 17. So we've got it set at 8. Let's try this. So that's kind of right in the middle there. That's almost basically flush there. We could have gone a little bit more, but that's kind of why I like to set it at 8, but it depends on the project you're working on. Right here we've got the battery pack, and then this pops off. You can recharge this. This is an 18-volt DeWalt drill. Just pops back in. Just some very simple basics here with the drill. We'll go ahead and make some more videos.